Is my strategy. This is a live trading review of a strategy that I'm looking at, and basically I want to share with you because I've done the research, I've done many trades, and it's doing really well. This strategy is for people who loves trading, wants to be in the market over and over. So what I've done is I've highlighted the strategy, and I'm also going to get the AI to do the analysis. So, and I'm going to do it live. So you're not just thinking I am the one who's doing this or I'm making anything up. I'm going to be uploading the data exactly and so on. So let's have a look now, guys, and see what the AI is going to say about the strategy that I've been researching and analyzing. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, if I go into the trading platform, I'm then going to download the data. So here's all the data here. So I'm going to save the data. As you can see, it's a real account. And even if it's not a real account, it's real data. But it's a real account in this case. So I've uploaded the data. Okay. So So this is the data, right? So let's have a look. So this is the data. Okay. That's the data there. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to upload this data into the AI. Okay. And then what I'm going to say to the AI now, I'm going to ask the AI to please give me information about the win rate, the average win and average loss, maximum drawdown, profitability by currency pair, risk reward, well, with not necessarily risk reward ratio, but I want to give an overall analysis of the data attached. Thank you, Nova. Thank you, and it's really appreciated. So let's see what Nova comes back with now. Let's see what the AI comes back with now. Okay, right. Brilliant. So let's see now. So what said, okay, yeah, process deals with section extract from key matrices that provided. Here's a breakdown of the result, and I'll do nature of the data set. Some figures may be approximate. Okay. So win rate 78.4% based on the ratio of profit trades, total trades. Average profit trade, average loss trade. The approximate drawdown is 13% based on provided balanced drawdown information. Now the profit factor is 2.5, expected payoff 0.2. Now for this, now we're looking at positive performance. The strategy appears to be profitable as indicated by the positive total net profit, profit factor and Sharpe ratio. A high win rate. The win rate of 78.4% suggests that the strategy is successful in majority of trades. Risk reward, average profit to risk trade, average loss trade indicate the strategy of an attempted high risk reward. Volatility consideration. The fact that there were only approximate 40 or so transaction, and each transaction was different currency pair points to high diversification. Yeah, diversification. This would likely allow stability in more volatile market, but the small position size per trade makes a strategy a slow progression in terms of net return. Okay, and as I said, this is one for those people who loved being in the market, in and out of the market, and I think it's a beautiful one. So further analysis, profitability by currency pair. This data is difficult to summarize precisely without further processing. You would have manually filter all the trades to determine which were open when certain currency pair were versus close and so on. So this is additional information that the AI could do. But anyway, God bless, peace out, happy trading.